Kohler 20 Resa generator did not start scheduled test run. Locked rotor fault displayed. As per manual check battery, 14V when connected, 13.8V when disconnected. Any advice as to what is problem?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler tool or machine? How old is it?
Generator installed 4/17/2013, oil and filter changed 2 months ago.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler generator? What have you tried so far?
First time failed. Just checked battery. What else should be checked?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Engine has about 125 running hours. Mostly weekly test runs, very little power outage time.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. Does the engine crank if you set the switch to run, or does it not even crank?
Haven't tried that, will do. I'll get back to with results in a couple of minutes. No, display reads engine MN, invalid shutdown. Red light increases blinking frequency.
That means that the controller is not able to correctly identify the engine in the unit. This is going to require having a tech on site, with the proper software. They should try to update the controller, but chances are that the controller is bad.
Thanks for the update. Do you know of any way I can determine if just a software update is required or in fact the controller is bad? Also, what would be the correct engine identifier? Just to let you know, I checked this site around 7:30 p.m. last night and your post wasn't there. I spent 32 years in the IT business, and in my retirement I've learned not to let the tail, computers, phones, etc., wag the dog, so I'm not in constant communication with the world all the time. Red.
I am in the same boat. I work 2-day jobs, and help on JustAnswer in the evenings. Although I am online most nights, every now and then I just have to have a night off. I probably don't miss 20 days a year. There is no test you can do. The only thing that can be tried is updating the software, and if that doesn't work, the controller is bad.
Thanks for your help. Thought there was an outside chance I could do some basic tests. Red.
Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but this is the way all new generators are going. There is getting to be less and less that the average person can do on their own. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.